I think the combination of actually being in the field and having your academic partners with you to have both the empirical experience and the theoretical perspectives that we all academics have is an unbeatable combination. It's really unique. My best experience ever in my working life have been these kind of fieldwork academic contexts. So I'm really enjoying this. You would think that going away for a week would be a long time. You could do more useful things, but actually it's so intense and you learn so much and you get so many new ideas. So actually it's the best way to spend your time to do this, because you learn so much more than you would in a week at home. I just regret that not all my students are here with me, because it would be so great for them too. So I would like to thank the TEFI walk-in workshop here in Vietnam.